Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or pin Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar using Opera browser. In case you prefer to use Opera browser to open Google Calendar each time on your Windows 11 PC, you can pin a Google Calendar button to the Windows 11 taskbar that will always open with Opera browser. For this, first click on this one start button and search here for Opera by typing Opera. In the search results, right click on this one Opera browser entry and select here open file location. Again, right click on this one Opera shortcut and select here open file location. Now Opera application path will open. Right click on this one Opera and select here copy as path. Now close this one folder. Right click on the free space on the desktop. Select here new and then shortcut option. Paste the copied path and then put one space, then hyphen, then type URL. Again put one space and copy the Google Calendar URL and paste it to the end of this one location box. Now click on this one next button. Now name it as Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. Now you will see a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar on your Windows 11 PC. Select this one desktop shortcut, right click on it and select this one show more options. Then click on this one pin to taskbar. Now Google Calendar icon will be available on your Windows 11 taskbar. Just click on this one Google Calendar icon at the Windows 11 taskbar and it will open Google Calendar in a new tab on your Opera browser.